To use the text replacements in iPhone 17 Pro, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to find general options with the gear icon, and then we can scroll down until we find a keyboard. Select it, and from here navigate to text replacement. That way you will find multiple different text replacements that are here by default. You can edit them and remove them right here, but if you want to add additional options, click on this plus button. Enter a phrase that you want to use. For example, be right back. And then we need to add our shortcut, which could be BRB. Save it. And I've already added this previously, so let's try to attempt that. So we're gonna open our keyboard. Now if I type in that shortcut that I just created, I will get the instant option to type in the phrase that I want. It doesn't work in the app library, I think. Let's go to the messages instead. So here, BRB, and here's the pop-up with the text that we want. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.